BMW CE 04.
Servus and welcome to MotoTop. Today I will ride the new BMW electric scooter, the CE 04. I just picked it up from BMW just right now, and yeah, I will just start a range test with this scooter. Yeah, officially the scooter has a range of 130 kilometers. So as I told you, I just picked the bike up. It has still 97% of battery capacity and a range of 121 kilometers, a calculated range. Yeah, I set back the trip to 0 kilometers when I picked up the bike, and yeah, now we can see how far we can go. So here you can see if you use power or if you charge the battery with recuperation. So right now I'm in eco mode, you can see here, but I can also switch to rain mode, road or dynamic. Yeah, for this range test I will do a more typical scooter profile. So more urban, but the first 8 kilometers will be at the German Autobahn, the motorway, and then I will enter Munich. So most of the time I will stay in an urban profile in cities, villages, and then also some overland roads, some country roads, highways, but most of the time I want to stay in cities. So it should be more a typical scooter and urban profile, riding profile. I also have a destination in Munich. I want to go to a motorbike equipment shop and maybe buy a new helmet. So I just entered the Autobahn, the motorway, and the capacity fell down to 92%, and the range is now 100 kilometers. So we're now entering Munich, the beautiful city, Freude am Fahren. Yeah, and it's not complicated to ride this bike, so you pretty fast get used to the most important functions of the bike, and it's very easy. So now I will change back to eco mode. So we are in the city, so we can save some energy. So now we are at the Mittlerer Ring, it's called, so the middle ring in Munich. Here we don't have any traffic lights, so you can just keep rolling. You don't need to accelerate or decelerate all the time. And you can see here I don't need much power. So the capacity is down to 84%. We already have done 13 kilometers, and now we can save some energy in the city traffic. Yeah, at higher speeds you nearly lost every half a minute or every minute you lost 1% of capacity, of battery capacity. But yes, right now here in the city I'm still at 84%. So yeah, of course you don't need much power to ride at the speeds, so you can keep going for pretty long range. So I just left the middle ring in Munich. We are still at 84% and we already have 18 kilometers done. That's nice. So finally, after more than 1 hour trying different helmets, yeah, you know, it's not so easy to find a helmet that fits perfect to you. So yeah, now I'm going back home. I live a little bit outside of Munich, and yeah, now we have a lot of stop and go because of traffic lights. Ja.
Wie lange kannst du fahren, bis er leer ist?
120, 130 Kilometer. Je nachdem, in der Stadt ziemlich lang. As you can see, we have a lot of traffic lights, a lot of stop and go. So I switched to dynamic mode because the acceleration makes so much fun. Yeehaw! Yeah, BMW claims from 0 to 50 kilometers an hour only 2.6 seconds. Yeah, we will check the next days with GPS. Yeah, with this great engine brake or recuperation, you nearly never need the hydraulic brakes. So you can only stop until zero with the engine brake. I can just show you. So okay, now we have full brake. Now I just keep rolling. Now I stand without the hydraulic brakes. So now I'm leaving Munich. Till now only 23% of battery capacity lost, or we only lost 21% because I started at 98. Yeah, that's great. So in normal city driving you can go pretty far. Yeah, now we have some more overland roads, some more country roads, highways, and some smaller cities or villages. Yeah, finally I arrived at home, but I still have 67% left. So yeah, we just keep going. Now we are in a little city called Grafing. It's in the east of Munich. As you can see, it's very nice here. And right now there's also a little Volksfest, beer fest here in Grafing. Nice. Smells great. Yeah, now we have a lot of stop and go because the vehicles coming from right have right of way. So we have to brake a lot and stop and go without using the hydraulic brakes. So now at 15% it claims that I have to recharge. Finally we arrive at home. Yeah, we have 8% capacity left. Here you see the data from the board computer. So in total we have a duration of riding of 3 hours. We have a trip of 123 kilometers in total. So from beginning from 98% capacity till now 8%. We have an average speed of 44 kilometers an hour. We have an average energy consumption of 6.1 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers, and Yeah, we also gained 1.3 kilowatt hours from the braking, from the recuperation. So that is nice. So you see, it is possible to go 130 kilometers with only one battery charge. So for urban riding, for cities and so, this scooter is a good option. So have fun and ride safe.